Chapter 5. A visit to Jim Corbett National Park. A visit to Jim Corbett National Park is an exciting travelogue recounting adventures in India's oldest national park. From thrilling safaris to encountering diverse wildlife like tigers and elephants, the journey explores the park's natural beauty, conservation efforts, and the magic of encountering animals in their habitat. You may have seen tiger in a zoo or circus, but it is possible to see a tiger and other wild animals in their natural habitat. Here, we will talk about Jim Corbett National Park. It's difficult to pinpoint any one particular reason to visit Jim Corbett National Park again and again. The picturesque surroundings of the park and easy availability of accommodation might be some of the factors. But the biggest attraction that lures nature lovers to Corbett is definitely the desire to get a glimpse of the tiger in the wild. This correspondent was lucky to have a close brush with the majestic animal during his second trip to Bizrani Forest in Jim Corbett National Park recently. Located in the Ramganga River Valley in Uttarakhand, Jim Corbett is India's first national park and tiger reserve. A comfortable overnight journey via Hapur, Moradabad and Ramnagar can take you in the lap of nature at the beautiful Corbett in Dhikuli village in Ramnagar. However, due to the weather conditions at times, it might take an hour extra and more in case you get stalled, maybe due to a tire puncture, as it happened with us on our way to Corbett at 2:30 a.m. in the morning. From Ramnagar to Bizrani Forest, the road is in perfect shape, and if you are able to reach there just before sunrise, you can have a never-before experience of watching the sun rising over the horizon behind the Kumon Hills. Finding a suitable accommodation at Corbett is absolutely no problem, with the sprawl of a large number of resorts and cottages just outside the Bizrani zone of the forest. However, the large-scale construction activity and the shrinking Ramganga River might come as a bit of disappointment to nature lovers, as it is fast changing the look and feel of this once tranquil village. Jeep safari is the most popular mode of exploring the forest area. Elephant safari can also be tried, depending on the availability, as there are only 2 elephants with the forest department for safari. 30 jeeps are allowed inside at a time, which needs to be reduced as it leads to excessive crowd inside the forest and diminishes the chance of spotting wild animals, particularly tiger. Animals that can be easily spotted in Bizrani zone include chital, sambhar, hog deer, langur, jackal, etc. Tigers are a rare sight, and there are chances you might have to do with tiger pug marks only. However, many a times tigers have been spotted in Bizrani zone. We were lucky as we could get a full view of this spectacular wild beast near a dried-up river channel close to the watchtower while coming back from the safari in the evening. The guide informed that around 10 tigers have been spotted in the Bizrani zone in the recent past. For adventure sports lovers, Ramganga River provides some good options. Bridge falling, rappelling and river crossing are some of the adventure sports that can be tried out on the river bank. Though they may not send your adrenaline pumping, but definitely They provide a good break from the monotonous and tedious urban lifestyle. A visit to the river can also be a soothing experience. A weekend visit to Jim Corbett is truly a refreshing affair. No doubt, Corbett National Park receives thousands of visitors every year who come there to reconnect with nature.